today we will be looking at IndexOf method in Java. So the IndexOf method, what it does is it returns the first index position of a specified value. So let's say that position is not found, then IndexOf will return -1. So basically what IndexOf, the method it does is it searches the string and returns the index of the first occurrence of the specified substring. So now let's see the code I have written. So I have string 1 s equals new string, my name is Harold, and then int x equals s1 dot index of s, and system.out.println x. And what x will give us is a integer, meaning a number, like a whole number. And what IndexOf does in this situation is trying to find where the first occurrence of s happens, right? So if you remember in my last video where I looked over substrings, you know how substrings count from 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and onwards? Well, that's what IndexOf does too. So if we were to think, okay, what is the index of s in like the string? So let's count. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The first occurrence of s happens at 9. So let's compile the program and run it. And that's what we get. Now let's do an A. What do you think we get an A first? Compile and run. It's 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. NA first is at 3 because that's when it sees an N and then an A after. So it's 3. Now let's try B and let's see what it would say. It's -1 because there is no B in the statement. So whenever there, like, if you're looking for something and it's not like there, it's 100% going to be -1, symbolizing that it's not there. So now let's change up this and say this is Harold. And if I do find index of is, compile it and run it, it'll give us 2 because is right here. But now I want to find the is like after, like after the 4th index, right? So let's compile and run it. We get 5. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this is when the next is starts. Hopefully this video made sense and was helpful about just like a little intro to what an IndexOf method does in Java.